Alright guys, I'm gonna show you a very quick way you can make money on the internet here in Nigeria. This opportunity is open to students only in higher institutions in Nigeria. So right now I'm in the platform and I'm gonna demonstrate to you how this platform works and how you too can join the platform and start making money on the internet. Right on the home page you see start making money online today. Are you a student of higher institution in Nigeria? Make money online without stress. You could make 1,000 Naira every day just by uploading some files. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on register now so that I can show you more information about this opportunity and you learn more about it and you'll be able to decide whether you want to join or not. So I go ahead and click on register now. I will allow the page to load. I'm on the register now page. Now the first thing you see here is earn 1,000 Naira per day or even more. I'm not going to read everything in this page, but I'm going to go straight to the commission plan so that you see how you're going to earn money on this platform and what opportunity is available for you. Now, before you go ahead and see the commission, let me show you the requirement for this opportunity. You need to register on the platform and the registration fee is 1,500 Naira. After registration, you will automatically be redirected to a page where you can start earning money on the platform. Now, let's talk about the commission plan. We have two commission plans for this program. The first one is you can earn money just by submitting some files. But what are the files you need to submit in order to earn money? This is what we have on the side. Submit past questions, lecture note, assignment, term papers, research data, or almost anything that you have as regards your academics, and you earn money as long as you keep submitting these files on the platform. So the amount you earn for every file you submit varies. For each past question, assignment, term paper, research data you submit, you will earn 100 Naira. And for lecture notes, you will earn 50 Naira per page of your lecture note. You can submit up to 10 past questions per day, which means if you're submitting past questions, assignment, or term paper, you'll be able to earn up to 1,000 Naira per day. This opportunity is available to limited numbers of people because we want to fulfill our promises and we want to make sure that we give you all the best from this opportunity. And the second plan, which is the commission plan B, is by earning 750 Naira per referral. When you refer someone to join this platform, you earn 750 Naira for every person you refer to join the platform. And you'll be able to get paid at least 2 times in a week as long as you meet the payment threshold. I will give the link to this particular page so that you can go ahead and learn more about this opportunity and decide whether you want to join or not. I believe this is not going to take your time. It's not going to hinder your education. It's going to be a very easy thing for you to do, and you'll be able to use this opportunity to make money helping yourself while you are in the school. I hope you've learned this and I hope you'll be able to go ahead and register on the platform and start making money online here in Nigeria. If you have any questions about this program, feel free to drop the questions in the comment section and I will do everything possible to answer all your questions. Thanks again for watching the video and go ahead and register now so that you can start making money online.